over here.
Huh? So what? So why if me a laugh? I mean by if me a laugh? Yes, because so why you going so you really get into this now, we can actually feel it. Huh? Why? Wait.
Huh?
You
Huh?
mean by no question? We
You
there
go
so
bed?
try to camp and you're going with the beer
And I'm bed.
Eh?
Why?
Why preach?
We are bed man.
Alright, so I didn't quite get to close off last night's video, but I'm gonna do it now properly. So the thing is, pretty much being camping here, there's a lot of stuff that you have to really consider. Camping isn't like your typical being at home type of situation. You're dealing with stuff that's gonna get you frustrated, like you guys could have seen in that clip that I'm gonna show you right now. Yes, because so why you going so you really get into this now, we can actually feel it. Huh? Why? Wait.
Huh?
No question, yeah, you know, we were here and we did see a couple arguments that happened, which is kind of funny over small things, you know, because when you're dealing with stuff like a wood fire, doesn't have, there's no, as I said before, there's no high, low, or medium, you know, and everyone is trying to do something and some things are not just going to work out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave like a list of stuff that you guys can actually carry to try to make your lives a bit easier. Some of the stuff that we didn't have, for example, I brought a lantern, but like that had to like share for everybody. So definitely bring yourself a lantern. When I say lantern, not the kerosene lantern, is not really that good. Not many lumens, meaning not much light that it emits. So bring yourself a good camping lantern. You know, each person that comes, bring one. It's gonna make your life a lot easier when you can see stuff. And yeah, I'll put a list at the end of the video or something so you guys can see, or probably in the description box. Any information you need will be in the description box as well, that you guys can just check out. But apart from that, camping here was a breeze. The last time it was super cold. It's now, we are in pretty much September. Temperatures here were pretty fair, summer weather, so it wasn't that cold. And yeah, I really enjoyed this camping experience, being here for a couple of days, and we'll definitely come back again where we'll do it a lot better. And I hope you guys, you know, enjoy this video. Alright, so you guys might have seen that we are getting ready to leave here. Pretty much the whole plan is to go down to the Blue Mountain, no, the Cafe Blue coffee spot. And a lot of people, when they watch the videos, they go, why does Jamaica have Starbucks or whatever the case is? I mean, that's simply obvious. To answer that question is, when tourists come here, they always want to have things that are familiar. It is our job to have our own, how can I say, our own brand and then sell that to them, you know. But I don't see a problem with Starbucks being here, you know. But my personal opinion, which coffee do I think is best, I think Cafe Blue has a completely different vibe and I like it there. But anyway, I was about to say something. Oh, for those of you who might be, you know, checking out tents here, the tents are pretty cheap. I don't even know what the price is. I'll try to find it and drop it in the description box, but the tents are pretty cheap. And the checkout time for the tents is 12 o'clock, which isn't bad. It's like a hotel nonetheless. And yeah, pretty much that is what's up right now. I'm gonna take a try at taking a shower at the spot. Oh, and you guys might have seen my tent. Some persons might have been like, oh, what a cool tent. Yeah, it's a pop-up tent. It's a 2-person pop-up tent by Cole, man. Is it worth the money? Yeah, I think I spent about 40 bucks on it. And to rent a tent here, how much rent one tent per night? 500 for a 4-person tent? A 500? You're sure?
No, 2,000.
Oh, I was like, what?
2,000.
Yeah, it's $2,000 for the 5-person tent. And we were here for 2 nights, so that's like $4,000. So my tent pretty much already paid for itself. So yeah, if you want a bigger tent than that, there's a 4-person version to that as well. As you guys saw, it was quick to like assemble and to take up in like no time.
Yeah. You give it to peel it up. There's a cocoa can roast. No one that's me see me.
Whoa! Oh my
None of that man left that people to us.
Alright, so we just stopped off at Cafe Blue. We left Blue Mountains not too long ago. Yo, FYI, you coming off of the mountain, just keep running your hand like crazy, because the roads are very narrow. So
Running, coming, going up and coming down.
up, down, because the roads are narrow, and if you don't blow your hand, I'm not gonna know say yo, you're forward. So
No, we rinse out these. Yeah.
Or cappuccino, bravo. I think I'll rinse out a cappuccino.
alright, cool, it's pretty good coffee. To get parking here is pretty hard. Like everybody have to park like on the side of the road, and it's like around a big corner and bend, so like yeah, it's not the easiest. Yo, don't go too much into this activity. Come on, let's go. You just come closer to the make you see me. Huh? Now when I take nothing serious enough, I guess. Alright.